Hello, Gilbert. How are you doing?
Hi. Good, Pavan. How about
Excellent.
you?
I am great.
Right.
Thank you very much for asking me. So, how is life?
Good, very good. Can't
Uh,
complain now.
Pardon me?
Can't complain now, I said.
Okay, fantastic. So,
So yesterday's session of the release the giant that worked. The smoking addiction. I tried to smoke after the just to check. I couldn't. I means I took a few drags, but the taste, the flavor of a cigarette that I've been smoking for the past more than a year now, I could not. And today
fantastic.
again I tried. Thought
Fantastic.
I had to throw it even before half the cigarette was done.
So, just don't try it, just leave it as it is.
No,
So,
I just did it out of experiments, like not like I stayed the whole day today without it. I didn't have any urges. Normally, I used to if I didn't have cigarettes in my pocket by midday, I would be restless. Like 3 hours into work, I would be very restless. I didn't feel it at all. It's just
this,
that I've got that itch to check.
yeah, certain things you should test for yourself and then come to conclusion instead of others saying. So, how long you have been smoking?
I've been smoking from the age of 18, 19.
So, how many years for now? I
Uh,
assuming 21
More
years.
than 20 years. In between, I had given up for like 3 years, but then again, I had started. So
So,
roughly around 18 years.
So 18 years of habit gone in how much time? Maybe 20 minutes or half an hour. Yesterday, what we
Yeah,
did.
yeah.
That is the power of awakening the giant within. Okay.
I've noticed that. I mean, I realized that.
Yeah. So what else you got a breakthrough in last 6 days?
So there were a lot of so from the Google Docs sheet, you had put one column for all my other issues, which you didn't really put a process for. So like things like porn, I stopped from day one, from the first process. That I haven't had. I didn't feel the urge to look at it. Not that I was addicted to it or anything, but then for masturbation and all of that, I used to open it on my mobile. Now I don't. From the first process that we tried, I have not looked at it even once.
Yeah, the way we have designed the processes are this specific group requires very advanced ones. So we begin with much effective ones. And
Okay.
we have ended with one more effective so that you in the 6 days itself you start having the transformation. That's the whole idea how we designed. Of course, this is not going to be the structure for every batch because it directly goes on what people require at that point, any given
Okay.
point in time.
Okay. So this is not a set course as such. It
No,
keeps fluctuating or change varies with
yeah,
each individual or group of individuals.
yeah, maybe sometimes it stays, sometimes it has little bit changes, sometimes drastic changes. Maybe the order might change, but end of the day it is only what you need at the time. So that is the beauty how
Okay.
we make what we make.
All right. All
So
right.
what else you have seen differences in last 6 days?
So while using that the auditorium, the three chairs process, uh, it took effect not just for the issue that I used. The so I if I can't even remember that issue. That's the best part. It's if I can recollect properly, it was for something to do with me getting angry at other people, and what has happened is after that, not only have I forgotten that issue, there are other related issues that have also got subdued. As in, I don't feel that same level of anxiety or frustration or anger for multiple other issues. It is not that just that one issue was addressed in that process, it was multiple. I noticed that from the first process itself, there were multiple things that changed in me. And yeah, that was something. But I had had that intuition about your course from the first breakthrough that I got. Uh, I can't even remember what you did. The small short course one,
Mm.
the breakthrough session in that, I can't recollect what you did. But I know something happened then, and that is what drew me towards this the next level.
Fantastic, fantastic.
Can you remind me actually what was the breakthrough in that?
We asked you to select a specific thought that has been bothering you, and we have broke that thought pattern.
So what was the procedure that you did? I remember asking you also that can it be used for others, and you said no. That
Yeah, that's the whole purpose is we have advanced mechanisms to help you with that.
correct. You said that. I remember you clearly saying that, but I can't remember for the life of me what that process was.
Yeah, I one of the clients like you, who is a minor circle member, who named this as the noodle technique, noodle process, because people can get relief in less time than cooking noodles.
Okay. Not bad actually.
Yeah. Yeah,
Maggie 2-minute noodles.
yeah. Maybe that may take 5 minutes, and our entire process will be less than 5 minutes. So,
Hmm, correct.
so, so that's what we did. Phenomenal. I think many of us, many of the people who participated, have seen phenomenal results in
Yeah,
last
I've
6 days.
seen that. Physical appearances have changed, and demeanor and attitude has changed in many people. I saw that physically, so it's not something that can be faked.
Yeah, fantastic. So I'm happy that you found great results.
Yeah, I owe it to you. Thank you.
No, no, it is, I just facilitated. It is you have done with your own giant. And just imagine what we can do further.
I'm thinking on that on those lines only. What to be tackled next?
You need to think. I think the way you are responding, you should flip the coin. What do you mean by flip the coin? Is put yourself remarkable goals, like maybe would start thinking about those directions where you have never dreamt of. Maybe it's towards your financial abundance, maybe your relationship, maybe your health, wealth. Build something phenomenal in your life. Live up to the purpose, because we have just touched the awaken the giant within. We did not fully unleash the power of giant within.
I had thoughts towards that financial abundance relationship. I would love to do something like that.
Yeah. So
I
for
would like
that,
to test my boundaries right now.
absolutely. So fully unleash the power within. It has three components. One is you, which is Gilbert D'Souza,
Mhm,
and the second is your unconscious, which means the giant within sitting in you, waiting.
mhm,
Oh, let me come out. Okay. Then there is a catalyst, me, my role, where I come between you and your unconscious,
mhm.
and we will set up a process. We will set up a mechanism. Thereby, you will embark the journey of making something impossible to make bring it true. True. However, what else, Gilbert?
No, nothing much. I'm just very overwhelmed with the results that I've got from the sessions. I've really taken up with your processes.
Yeah. Then
Hats off to
continue.
you. Yeah, of course, of course, of course. That doesn't need to be said only.
Yeah, continue, because the beauty is once the ball rolling, it will roll fast.
Hmm.
Let it roll. Thank you very much. Very great to catch
I should
you.
be thanking you a lot.
No, no, it's okay.
You've released the giant. Let's say.
No, I did not release. I just only
You
introduced.
pointed in the direction.
Now you need to take up. You need to take up.
Of course, of course. Yeah,
Okay.
thank you so much.